And you are done, and you didn't even bleed. Boom.
Okay.
Well, I just dropped my whole needle off
Get it?
on me. Hopefully you didn't get that far.
Okay. Let's see how mine does. Put right here. I can check later. No, mine do it. Mine turn.
Okay. And you want the left too? Okay, yes ma'am. I'm gonna get my other gloves on really
Okay.
fast. All right. So this is your guys' second shot?
Yeah, second shot.
Oh, perfect. Fully vaccinated.
They say we're gonna get. Sometime we're gonna get third shot, right?
I don't.
They talk about that.
I was like, I've heard talk about it, like kind of being like the flu shot. So I
Oh.
guess we'll see.
We'll see. Not sure.
I hope if I grab the right needle there.
Okay. Baru done.
Done.
Yeah, done
Not too
vaccine
bad.
shot.
Not too bad.
Good. First time we didn't get not much pain. The first shot. So I don't know about second shot.
Was the second one too bad?
I don't know. But the first one, it's not too bad.
Oh, good.
So I hope
Good.
the second one is not that bad either.
Well, good.
Uh-huh.
Hopefully, you guys are not too bad.
All right. Thank you.
You're very welcome. You guys have a great day.
Yeah, you too. Alo. Bà Hoa. Một hôm nào bà Hoa chỉ một hôm nào tao lọ. Ok, bây giờ tả chị một tờ.